Hello, munchkin beaters. Munchkin beater. Problem being, you all know what one of these is, because everybody got one of these. Everybody got one of these. Special powers, you see, special powers. Now there's 6 ways we can do that. We could use a bit of square straight away, but it's going to be harder to put in the lathe. So I think that would do it, wouldn't it? What do you say? Apart from it's got a slight. So first thing is first. Let's switch the power on. Pencil. You're all saying, I can hear you talking. You're all saying, where's your scribers, Rob? There it is. Right. I know where my scribers was. This vice here, you're going to have something in that end. You're going to have something in that end, similar thickness to something in this end, so your doodly stays togetherish. Two pieces about that big. Let me just take off the sharpie bits. So they're going to go in there. What a fine looking job already, isn't it? So the first thing we want, I think, personally speaking, is it all through there. 10 milli. 10 mil is there, so I want about 11, I think. Just to be a bit flash. There you are, there's 11 there. Like. Fucking shit I keep. Fucking unbelievable. We got an hole in there. Look at that hole. Will you look at that? Right, that's it. We now need an hole right through it. And we're going to drill right away through there. And then we got to find a way of tapping it. How do you tap without a tapper? This should work. Right, that's a pilot hole. Now we want a I'm a nearly right size sort of hole. But it's one of them goldy looking things from Mr. Chinaman. Oh, bloody good drill. Oh, bloody good con. Right. Simple as, simple as. Now I'm going to do something I don't like doing. But, you know me. And that is to actually put that in there. Now people do this all over the world. It's just something I don't particularly like doing, because they do shatter. It's not dangerous, but it does shatter. Right, we'll drop down the gears. We'll make sure this is fairly free running, and we'll switch it on. And that's one of the reasons I don't like fucking doing it. But there's no other way, because we haven't got... The bit we're making is the bit we're fucking making. We will need to go up to that shank there, I think. Okay. Right, as far as I want to go. Now, of course, we haven't got a reverse gear. Oh, do you want a reverse gear for on a lathe, Rob? Well, this is one of the reasons you want a reverse gear on a lathe. There's your thread. So have a moan, go on, have a moan. Oh my god, see the way you did that. Well, that worked out quite well. Even though I didn't like doing it like that. I did not like doing it like that. Oh, you bastard. If I had a reverse gear, if I had a motor that would run backwards, I could be someone else now. 2 minutes. Come on. There, then this goes in there. To there. And then your tap will go into there. That locks down, and then there you go. But I mean, that's not very pretty, is it? So what I was thinking of doing is weld. Right, I'm taking this, I'll be back. Carry on without me, talk about me by all means. Take nice things, of course. Oh, did you see Rob Nurden? Oh, Robbie, yeah, I know Robbie. He's great, man. Robbie Nurden. I found this. Now, wouldn't that look pretty? Gold finger. Because this is stainless. That's shite. So let's cut off 2 pieces and see what we can make. I'm thinking of putting that on there like that. And then weld, maybe. What do you think about the welding trick? What I want to do, if I can, is just close that up with a ticky hammer. Where's my ticky? Here, ticky. That one there will do. Just my little apprentice hammer. I just want to... This has got a bit of... Where are you? There. See, it's got a bit of slap in it, so we're going to take that slap out. Either. There, that was too tight, see? That's everywhere. You can actually screw it on there. So, we want to do that both ends or just one end? Go on, spoil yourself, man. Okay, we'll do both ends. Because what else we got to do now, really? We can play around all fucking day, yeah. So you're actually strinking the steel, or metal if you're posh. There, see? It's nice and tight now. It just needs dressing a little bit. So now we've got down to that sort of thing. Wait there. That's fixable, isn't it? That's how two fucking is. That's how two handles. Well, I thought, meaning this modern day technology going on here, why don't we use modern day technology stuff like that? The famous glue gun. Because it's here. Plus, I've got no gas. It's in the van, so I'd have to go to the van, get the gas, bring it out here, you connect it all together, just to do a 5 bob video. I say 5 bob. I say 5 bob in the nicest possible way.
The microwaves are there, huh?
Yeah, somebody broke the knob off it. Obviously me, because I'm the only thing with breaks things in this house. Right, let's have a go at this. We got some in there, which we're gonna push that through there. Then just before it's due to come up this end, we're gonna screw some more in, like that. And then we're going to go up and down. That's considerably hot, you know that? Oh, have a look. Ain't that lovely? Modern day welding, isn't it, really? Yeah, that is hot, you know that? I'll put some in there. Oh, thanks, sure. And will I ever repay you? Right, that's that. Now we want to debate. If anybody's into debating here, how long we want that. Because I think we only want it that long. So if I cut that about there, everybody in the house would be screaming greatnesses. I was going to touch that then. Right, let's get rid of all this shite now. I don't mean that. Will you look at that? Look at that. Come on, look at that. We now got to decide on what we're going to do with this piece, because you know you don't want something that heavy for what it does. So I'm debating. Oh no, not the debating. Debating. Taking a bit off. So make sure that is facing pretty well horizontally. I got 40 acres and she got 43. I got a combine. I'll give you the key. Let's cut the horizons. I give it that sort of shape now. It's a lot lighter instantly. So there you go. A very quick, a very easy dooley. We'll do what the Russians do now, because everybody love them quick, nasty crazy fucking videos they do. I got a bit of this handle left over. What can I do with that? What can I do with that?
Oh, that looks beautiful from radio. It has a stark beauty all its own. It's like much of the high desert of the United States. It's different, but it's very pretty out here.